Good morning. Day 2 of camp. We're making breakfast this morning.
Okay.
That looks good. Making the eggs right now in this big old pot. Funny got the bacon going on in the oven. Show us the bacon, huh?
I'm just gonna pour it in that day after I mix it.
Cocoa in the pot.
Bring the other one. The other
We got some French toast in the oven. And we have eggs. Got some sausage and more bacon. More bacon. No, I'll finish this and then I'll do the next one. Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna make the chicken
over
salad.
here making gourmet sandwiches. She got apples in there, lettuce. You forgot the tomatoes. Is there tomatoes? I have tomato y loto sandwich. What sandwich yan? Ahay. Kevin? Kevin! Is this our DJ? Our DJ got a whole line dance going on the other side. The following words dancing to our DJ. Okay, right now they're playing kickball, and this is the line. This is the lineup. They're playing against the other state, a Balangi state and a Tongan state. Oh, catch it! Oh! I'm dead.
watching it. It's actually on ESPN. Kickball.
These guys are winning. I'm dead.
But remember, you're only supposed to have.
They're pitching it way too.
Oh, snap. Go, go, go! Oh my gosh! What's our menu tonight? Go ahead, Claudia, help her out. What's our menu?
We
Our
got
menu tonight is Lucipi, the Kapafu type.
Kalimor.
And wait, what else is on our menu?
Kalimor
Kalimor
and sapasui.
and sapasui. Wait, what about the
Rice and manioke.
manioke? Yes. If you ain't tonguing,
Cheese up, cheese up.
no, but seriously, I'm really actually. We can only cut your the same team.
Okay, since we give you guys a point because they weren't singing, we're giving them a point. Everybody sing. If the people in the back can't hear you, turn around and tell them so that they can sing with you, okay? And then you guys do. All right, real quick. Your flagpoles are pretty long, so be careful waving it, okay? Before you guys struck someone in the face. Thank you.
Smile!
Where's that flag song? Yes, say love! Say love!
Hello, Jake, Jake, hello, Jake, hello, Jake, Jake, hello. Hey, Rachel! Hey, what? Hey, Rachel! Hey, what? Show us how you jingle! Then show us how you jingle! My hands are high, my feet are low, and this is how I jingle it! Jake, hello, Jake, Jake, hello, Jake, hello, Jake, Jake, hello. Hey, Eve! Hey, what? Hey, Eve!
never gonna end. Better use your walkie-talkie.
I know, I was gonna run over there.
Well, that means we can keep my umbrella.
Oh, hey, bitch. We'd like to tell you our wish. We come to love and tell you sorry. I swear.
I need a drink. I'll give it to you.
Guys, wait. I know.
I'm trying to stick in. Come on. Okay.
Are you guys okay?
We are Davis. We'd like to tell you our wish. We come to want our shooting star. And let's tell you more. She saw you and told the people that you opened that door. We can be like Davis, and you can be like you. Love Jesus for one.
Hey, freestyle.
Be like Avis, just don't be like us. Thank you. All right, thank you.
Tawa tu.
Everybody, Mary on three. 1, 2, 3. Mary! Where's the flag? Okay, listen. Ready? Okay, ready? Lily, please.
Okay, Lily. Let's go, Lily.